Alright. Alright. And my other friends. We're from Sesame Street. Me too. Elmo, Bert and Ernie, me, Cookie Monster, Cowboy and Cow, Chef Gonger, Grover, Rosita, and Abby. Oh, hello there. Yeah. There. Hi, nice to meet you. Meet you. Meet you. Hola. Hola. Hello. 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 Look. 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 What did she say? Oh, I just say hello in Spanish. Rosita. Now where's in Mexico? That's where they speak Spanish. Mexico? Spanish? That's right. Wait. 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 And I speak both Spanish and English. Really? Rosita. Rosita, when we met, I didn't realize you're from a different... It's called country. I live in a different country before I moved here to Sesame Street. Me. Wait. Me? How do you speak Spanish? Yeah. Well, I'll teach it to you. Alright, everybody, listen. It's so contenta, that means I'm happy. It's so triste, that means I'm sad. Orgullosa, that means I'm proud. Tengo coraje, that means I'm mad. Wow, that sounds like fun! Fun, yeah. Yeah, it was. So what brings you into this one? We're looking for my grandpa Merlin. Good. And we figured he's somewhere in this swamp. Oh.
Caught by a mean troll named Troy that Gus described.
Oh yeah, Troy. He sure is mean. Mean. So, do you know where he is? Yes. 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 Well... No. Oh, that's where where I had to tell Gus, but he's already there. Your grandpa was trapped in the game by Floyd. Fine.
Hey, what can't you? Hey.
That one!
Come on. One. Oh, there is one cave. No. No. No.
But we have to be very careful.
Oh.
Very careful.
But. Well.
How come?
No.
Floyd has some new friends.
And new.
New friends? Where?
Hey. Bats! Alright. Dad, where did they come from?
From? Mom,
Well,
surely what has said of them?
Mom.
Look down. It was!
I am everywhere. There. I see 1, 2, 3 bats. Go.
Count?
Count.
Are you? That's report?
Yes, I live with bats. That's good. And there's one thing. Thing do.
What's that?
That dancing.
Dancing?
Wait.
How's dancing to stop the bat?
We call it. Back in Pennsylvania, we do that called the Batty Bat. That.
Where do they put their sleeping bag? Sleeping bag?
Okay.
Then how do they sleep when they go camping? They hang upside down from the ceiling.
Sure. Join in. Let's all dance the Batty Bat.
One, two, three, sweat out the floor. 1, 2, 3,
I wonder.
Well, Cal, the bats love your dad.
Yes, yes, Rosie. I know. Oh, 3 dancing bats. Gosh. That's.
Grandpa Merlin!
Huh?
See? He's in that cave all along. They're all alone.
Rosie, when My good. Hello. Whoa. My goodness, you are a pretty big fellow.
Oh. Grandpa Merlin, this is my friend. Neither my new. And Big Bird.
Okay. Hey,
And Zoe, Elmo, Baby Bear,
here.
Abby, Gonger,
Yeah.
Count, Rosita, Grover, Telly,
Huh?
me,
Me?
Bert, Ernie, and Cookie Monster. Everybody, this is my Grandpa Merlin.
Hey.
Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Mr. Merlin.
But please don't meet you all. Well,
Wow.
Yeah, he's blue. Oh, like me and Grover.
Was accident.
no. Oh, yes. She's still practicing.
Yeah, I'm a dear Mr. Merlin.
Oh, a fairy. We. Gus, let's. The Shadow Knight sent Gus to our world. Well, so he won't stop him. No, we're proving to everybody that the Shadow Knight cheated. He did.
And what if
What?
you can help?
Well, there is a way. Hey, the crystal ball? Yes. Crystal ball, hear my please. Show us about what happened at the nightly games.
Elmo?
Hey, we knew it. The Shadow Knight did cheat it.
Who got his nice? Devoted my means. The show ended that you're the one cheated, Gus. I knew it.
What?
Now I have to do to get back to my kingdom.
But Gus, there's only one problem. Look.
The Shadow Knight did this?
I'm afraid he put a huge force field to trap everybody in the kingdom.
But I gotta say, my family and friends are in there.
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 Come on, everybody! We got a kingdom! We got a kingdom to save! Hey. Oh. Oh, that.
Grover?
Sorry about your little blue hairy friend. And then I'm covering for
Troy!
Alright. Hey.
So you're the one. You're the one. I'm gonna grab my gram. Come on.
That's right. But how? Let's just say I have a friend and who makes sure or you and not he's agreed is not hey come on.
The Shadow Knight?
That's right. Wait. And to do that? Oh. You're not. Hey. Well. Now you're free. Wait. Does that have you, Gus? Yes. Hold your breath.
Oh!
Gus, be careful.
Let it go! Coming down!
No. He stays in for forever.
Or you can't.
Do that. That I already did. Head.
Oh. No! I'm trapped!
Nope.